I came here. I didn't leave because I told you. I came here to answer for my shit.
34, can you get those people to 3-4 if you plan on using them out of there? Four, can we do the education Cal Collins and SM route? We're going to need area.
They're gonna fucking put it in prison right as do.
I'm not saying he won't move, so then... yeah, they're not going to really do it.
I finished high security probation, 5 years, no violations. What makes you think I'd be out here committing disgusting crimes? The shit they're fucking planting on me. The shit they put in front of me.
He's purposefully in the middle of the road. They've asked him to get out of the road. He got hit by a car, and he's still refusing to leave. Apparently, they told him to get his hands out of his pockets,
I didn't
and
have
he
a
won't.
problem with the guy that just hit me with the car either.
And
But apparently he had a problem.
that's what's going on right now.
Don't you get it? There are people in this crowd that got a problem with me. But they don't want to say anything because they're hard.
Golden State, what's up?
This is looks like when you don't buy. When you go to the station back. You don't scare me. You don't.
Ooh.
Come on. Look.
They're shooting at him. Taser.
I got my dog. You ain't gonna me up like that. Come on, God, take your gun off. He's already in gun. Come on, now. I hope somebody got
I'm here. I'm already here.
I know. I'm glad they didn't kill you, Josh. I can't be a problem. Oh, yeah, I know.
Some kind of non-lethal.
Like a beanbag?
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
So it's not like he's like been shot and he's not being held?
No,
Okay.
I think it was a less than lethal. Yeah.
I'm glad to hear.
Oh, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. This guy's going ham over across the street, dude.
I guarantee it's wrong.
Okay, buddy, and I appreciate you not hurting us today, okay? We're gonna get you your I know, we're gonna get you some. Whoever the third car is there, take him there.
Where's KSBY? There should be a hashtag. Where's KSBY? Oh, they're right there. You guys are late? You want my footage? You guys are late, man. What happened? I got the whole incident, though. Yeah. 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 Doing good, dude. You too, dude. That's the guy that interviewed me that one time.